Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're just going to more or less just tidy up what we've done so far. As you can see, I have the Black Robot Special Move 2 script open and the Play 1 movement. We'll begin in the SP2 script and we'll come down to the void update. Now the first change I'm going to make is what button 3 is going to be. At the minute it's fire 3. I want to use the high kick for this one, which is fire 2, so I'm just going to change that. Also, remaining in the void update, start core routine, special move 1. We'll change that to 2. Remembering, of course, to change the comment. And that means we have to alter the I enumerator to special move 2 also. So SM1 reset. We are going to change this to special move 2 reset. Remembering to paste it into the comments as well, so we have the 2 in the void update. We also will have this one in the I enumerator, which is commented out at the moment, but we'll change that. And just double checking, yes, it's also changed here, so that's absolutely fine. Let's save that off for the moment. Now, because we're using a back motion to charge the special move, the opposite is going to be true, so we're moving forward for the next button, so this is all fine. And we'll just keep going. Let's have a look. We just need to remove that code there. So let's have a look. We need to change some of this code. First thing I'm going to do though is come to the player 1 movement. And I'm going to change the bool for special move 2 active to static. Tidy up the comments. Let's save that script off. And now we can change this code also. So special move 1 active is obviously going to be special move 2. We'll change the comment also. And state again is going to be special move 2. And we'll paste that into the comments. Now let's have a look. Everything looks good there. Let's actually... I don't think we need these debug logs anymore, so let's get rid of those. And we'll just save that off there. Now we're going to come to the Play 1 movement script next. So I'm going to copy this function, special move 1 anim, and I'm going to paste that below special move 2. Obviously we'll change that to special move 2. Let's copy that, we'll paste that into the debug log. And for the animation, we'll change that to I obviously missed changing the comments last time, so let's rectify that now. And in the special move 2 function, all I'm going to do for the moment is to copy in the first line where we call the animation. We'll swap that out to special move 2 animation, paste that in. I'm not going to have it changing states at the moment. Let's save that off. That will become apparent in the next video, but for now let's just leave that and we'll test that out. So I'll just grab my controller and we'll let it run through. Okay, we'll select black robot in the inspector. I'm just going to I'll just deactivate the first special move script for now. So let's have a look. We can still high kick the same, so the high kick function is working as it should. Now let's charge up the special move. So let's now, and I know exactly what I've forgotten to do. Let's have a look. No animation clip assigned, so there we go. Let's assign that. We'll run through again. So again, let's come to the scene. And we'll just test out the high kick is working normally. And now we're going to charge up the special move. Hopefully it'll work this time. And because we have no code to move to different function at the moment, it will just keep repeating that function, which is calling the animation, so the animation should go into a loop. So let's see if that happens. We'll charge it up. And as you can see in the console, we've moved into the special move 2 function. We're calling the animation. So let's just stop that there. In case you're wondering, this is going to be a lunge move. So we're actually going to have the player move quite a distance across the screen with that kick. That's how this special move is going to work. But we'll leave that for the next video. This is a good point to leave it. We'll pick it up in the very next lesson. So, as always, Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.